This is a spoiler alert. If those of you that are still waiting and like to be surprised, I like to be surprised. So I know people have been posting they've been getting them. And I must have missed the post or something, because I believe Vicki was asking us to kind of not spoil the fun for everybody else. So click off now. You've been warned. All right. So let's go ahead and do it. And I really like that they put them in these bags now. I like it. Actually, these mailers, can be reused if you're sending something. You can cut them down. I mean, it has a nice bubble wrap in here. So if you're worried about, this going into the landfill, you can repurpose these. Anyhow, look at the bag. Ooh, how exciting is this? Vicki and her whole gang, they do a wonderful job with these monthly boxes. Oh, look at how nice it is. This is a beautiful bag. They do, such a great job. So, all I could say is OMG. Look at that moose. Now, those of you that may not know, if you don't follow me, I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And we had a stamp set. We have a stamp set with a moose and a coordinating punch. And unfortunately, I was informed today, I don't know why that's so washed out. I was informed today that our moose punch sold out and can't get them anymore. And here, look at that cute little moose. I don't know why that's so washed out like that. Let me try to turn this one on. I never could get this lighting. Okay, maybe that's better. How's that? So look at this. And is this our little charmy thing? I'm not sure if this is our charmy thing we get every month. Yeah, it is. So this is our little dots, I believe. I'll go through it and tell you. So it's magnetic. Okay, so that goes right in there. I love this. I love the chain. I think that's absolutely beautiful. And look, I love that little moose. He is super cute. I'm going to try to peel him off there and save him, or I'll just trim around him. He's super cute. All right, love that. Let's save our fabric for last. Oh, look, we got a lollipop. And my favorite color for now is purple, and it's grape, and that looks super yummy. I'm going to put that aside. I'll have that later. Let's see what we got in here. Get ready, get set. Announcing out new. Oh, I think that's a typo. Announcing out new. I think that should be an R. Announcing our. I only picked that up because I do medical transcription for a living. And I'm always really good at picking up other people's mistakes. Not so much my own when it comes back from the doctors. And I was like, oh, what was I thinking? Announcing our new subscription service, Creative Notions Kids Club. Let me bring that up so you can see. Starting December 2019, sign up on the website, fill out the questionnaire. So there's the information on that. Let me move it there. If you're interested, you got some children, grandchildren, neighbor kids, nieces, nephews, or maybe yourself. They have a kids club. Oh, here on the back. Here is information. I don't think I'm too close on that. And be sure to tell Vicki that I sent this information along. But let's see what it says. Creative Notions, Creative Kids Club. Ages 8 to 13 plus. So I qualify for that. Each kit includes project materials, instructions, patterns, club pages with areas to put ideas, pictures, educational materials, tools to build a sewing kit. Fabulous. A YouTube video for each box on our own sewing stars. Go to Creative Notions Kids Club on YouTube and Creative Notions Kids Club on Facebook, where kids can post their pictures and brag a little. Teaching children basic sewing and crafting skills. Watch your child's confidence grow with each package. So there we go. Sign your child, grandchild up. There's a few questions so they can make the package personalized. So definitely go check that out. And I have to agree. I have two grandsons. My one grandson, he's a little bit young to start doing crafts, but my other grandson, he loves doing crafts. He loves coming up here when he comes over to stay with Grandma and to do crafts. I mean, kids just love that. Ooh, we have a beautiful recipe card. This is stunning. It has a little bit of a gloss to it. So we have recipe, ingredients, dish from the kitchen of directions, and there's more room on the back. No, it doesn't fold, it's just on the back. So that would fit perfectly in a little recipe box. And that's something new that Vicki posted over on her Facebook page. So she's on Facebook, that she's going to start asking us to send in our recipes, and she's going to compile them all, put them in a book. So that would be a lot of fun. This is Beyond Clean, fragrance free. It's concentrated laundry detergent by Unicorn Baby. Tougher on stains and odors, removes lanolin, biodegradable, deep cleans natural and synthetic fibers. So yeah, removes greasy organic stains on diapers, fabrics, and knitwear. I'm just reading this. Non-yellowing, using hard or soft water. Test for color fast. So, oh, that's fun. I always love getting little samples, because then, and this is like very thick and heavy. You could try it out and see what you think. Okay, so here is our November subscription, Creative Notions, and look at how everything just coordinates so beautifully. We have our little pines and our little pine cones, and of course the moose, and here we have more pines, and can't forget our little cardinals. Okay, the Zappa Dots, that's what this is called. I couldn't think of it. I apologize for that. Our fabric this month is Another Moose is Loose. Oh, how fun. Another Moose is Loose is a perfect example of why Cheryl's wildlife collections are so popular. Rustic colors, cool coordinates, and a moose pattern makes the panel makes collection irresistible. The panel sets the scene for the rest of this collection with its pine cones and brilliant red cardinals. She did give us a little sneak peek. Let me just take a sip. I can feel my throat. I'm so sorry. She gave us a little sneak peek, some little clues. And one of them was a cardinal, so I was excited about that. I'm not going to read all this, only because I'm not sure my throat is going to hold out. But it looks like we have a pressing mat. Oh, that's what this is. I've been wanting one of these. Ooh, it's so soft. And look at how it matches. I mean, really? I mean, you guys, Vicki, I've been wanting one of these because I sew here in my stamp/craft room. And I don't have a big ironing board. Well, I do, but I don't want to drag it out. So this will be wonderful to keep right here on my desk and use my little iron. Oh, fabulous. So that's from Paca Pressing Mat. Let me bring that up for you. If you're able to take a screenshot, otherwise maybe you can just put it on pause, and that will show you the information on that. For the quilter in your life, coupon included for a $10 off a 15-inch square mat through December. 7x9 pressing mat, $25. Wow, that's great. Unicorn fiber. Okay, so that's explaining all about this. This is the Unicorn Baby, I guess, because it's a little sample one. All right, so that's that. And then our Zappa Dots. Just taking a quickie looky. The value of the dot is $3.50 and the necklace is $10. And then they're asking us to post our creations on Facebook. And here is more information on Creative Notions. You can check them out on YouTube. Vicki does a good job with her videos. She was kind of nervous about doing them, but Vicki, you do a great job. Okay, so here is information on the pressing mat. Let me bring that up for you so you can check it out. And I've never had one of these, so I'm excited. Natural fiber mat keeps iron heat directed at your quilt or embroidery work because alpaca fiber is so naturally insulating. It stabilizes your work for precise pressing even on diagonals. So that's exciting. A dry iron on cotton with optional water, mist, or starch. Okay, so it's made with alpaca fiber blend, and it's made in the USA. Is that Montana? so bad with that. So you can go to their website right there here on the bottom if you're interested in getting one for yourself. Oh, can't show you that. That's my coupon. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go ahead and check out the fabric. They said that there was a panel in here. I save all these ribbons too because I reuse them. When you're a crafter, we just like to save everything. Let me move my coffee and my little mug rug out of the way. Ooh, look at how beautiful this fabric is. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. This is like manly. It just reminds me of like winter. We're having a crappy day here in Pennsylvania today. They're actually calling for maybe some snow showers, but I know you guys out in Utah already have had snow because of Stampin' Up's home office that I'm a representative for. They already had snow there. So look at how beautiful that is. Oh, Vicki, you did a great job on your fabric selection. Look at this. Like what do they call that? That's not a houndstooth. No, that's like a check. I don't know if you call that buffalo check with it small like that. Ooh, look at this. This just makes you want to touch it. Although it's flat, but it looks so fibery. I love that. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at that. All the little moose heads. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that fabric. And here we go. Here's our panel. Oh, I love panels. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I know I'm not going to be able to get it. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to be able to get this all in, but I am definitely. Wait, am I upside down? Hold on a sec. No, I'm not. Look at how cute. Let me move my coffee. This is huge. This is huge. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe a pillow. Maybe 2 pillows. Look at how beautiful. And I'm sorry I can't get this all in the camera. But look at this. Look at the moose with the little tree. The little house. Look at how pretty. It has a beautiful border going all around it. All right, let's move. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this little cardinal over here. Welcome to the woods. Oh, I absolutely love this. This would be so perfect in my house. I just don't know what to do with it yet. So I'm going to wait for Vicki to come out with some fun ideas to share with what she's going to do with hers. Maybe a wall hanging would be beautiful. Look at that, how cute. And then down here on the bottom, we have another little strip here with, again, that beautiful little cardinal. Oh my goodness, I love this. I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. See, I'm terrible like that. I like to hoard things because I'm afraid to use it, because then later I'm going to find something else that I wish I did with it. But this is absolutely stunning. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe a wall hanging. This would be perfect for all winter long. But, oh my goodness. I would love a whole comforter on my bed with this. Wouldn't that be fun? Wow. You guys, thank you so much. Let's bring it all out here so you can see everything. We have all this beautiful fabric. Look at how well it all goes together. And here we're picking up that moose right there. And then, of course, we had our little Zappa Dot. How well that coordinates. And we had a little Beyond Clean by Unicorn Tears. What is it called? Unicorn. Well, it's called Unicorn Baby. Probably because it's a sample. And then we have this beautiful recipe card. Information on Kids Club. That, and let's not forget our pressing mat. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me get a picture of all that in. Here we are. And not to forget our beautiful bag that it all came in. How beautiful is that? Thank you so much. You guys did a fantastic job. I love it. And the total value of this kit is $62.50. Right there. I mean, the kit is half the price of that it costs. So it's definitely worth the try. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you back here real soon. I know I've gone over my time, so probably the beginning of this is going to get cut off a little bit, but so sorry about that. All right, everyone. We'll see you back.